Hello everyone, welcome to a pack with me video. I'm packing my suitcase for 2 weeks as I'm heading back to the UK from Australia. So this is only a really quick stay this time, and I just thought I'd film it and share some tips on how I pack my suitcase because I've been back and forth like a lot of times. So I've definitely had a lot of practice. But if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Carly and I love drawing on the iPad and also sharing lifestyle videos. So if you like that kind of thing, then consider subscribing. I'd really love to have you stick around. I'm actually packing all my clothes with the KonMari method this time. I usually roll them up, but with this way, you're actually preventing wrinkles a lot more and it maximizes your space in the suitcase. And you're able to view like your outfit so much easier, and it just looks so good once I put it all together. So to start figuring out what to actually pack, you need to sort of plan ahead and look at what the weather is going to be like in the place that you're visiting, and also how many days are you going, what activities are you doing. So I'd recommend like writing out all the days that you're there. Maybe if you know what you're doing on certain days, write that down as well, and then just write out a rough plan for like your outfits each day. These don't have to be exact, but they kind of just gives you an idea on what to actually pack and put together. And when you're putting together an outfit, I definitely recommend more neutral colours, so like blacks, whites, greys, and then like add a few pops of colour in there as well. But most of the time these colours work really well together. One tip is that you can stuff your socks into your shoes, and if you have something that you just don't want to get broken, you can actually just pop this in your shoes as well and then stuff socks in it to keep it sort of safe and secure. And you can see that I've actually managed to put 2 lots of socks in one trainer here, so it just really saves some space in the suitcase. You'll see in this suitcase that I haven't actually added any electronics. That's because I'm literally taking them all in my carry-on, and I will have a video soon coming up on what I pack in the carry-on bag, so make sure you're subscribed to see that. So as I'm only going for like 2 weeks, I'm packing 7 t-shirts. 2 of them I'm wearing on the travel day, and 1 of them I'm changing halfway. I'm taking 2 pairs of trousers, these jeans and some leggings that I'm also wearing on the plane. I have 7 days of underwear. I've got 2 light jumpers because it is meant to be summer in England, but it does show a lot of rain at the moment and it's not exactly the most hottest. And I'm also bringing a denim jacket, which I did forget to show myself folding, but I did add that in as well. Then I have 2 pairs of socks, a pair of trainers, my slip-ons that I'm wearing on the aircraft, and my flip-flops. Then I did add 1 pyjama top, which I'll probably add another one just because I'm going for 2 weeks. But we'll probably do a wash at the end of the first week so I can rewear everything. Then you also want to think about extra things such as books or games or even any food that you want to take. At the end, you will see me add in loads of coffee sachets, which are my favourite, so I had to add them in. Then you'll want to think about all the beauty stuff you use for your routines, your deodorant, your makeup, your hair straighteners, like all those kind of things. I'm actually not taking any shampoo and conditioner and stuff because I'm going to stay with my mom. She's actually got a lot of that stuff, which is good for me. Then I'm adding my handbag in here and I'm just putting my makeup remover inside to keep it secure. And I'm adding my denim jacket, my flip-flops, and also my night shirt, which I said I will probably add another one of those in as well. Then I realised how empty my suitcase actually was. I had so much more room, which was really weird for me. But I guess I am only going for 2 weeks. So I'm just adding my underwear here in an extra separate bag, and then I'm just putting some coffee sachets in. And now I'm just writing in a contact page, which I'm going to add into my suitcase. This is just in case the details that you write on the tag outside the suitcase get lost for any reason. You've always got this as a backup inside. So I really recommend getting a little portable weigh-in scales and also have an extra battery, and keep that in your luggage if you can, or in your carry-on, so that you can weigh it for like when you return home. And this just keeps you organised for when you go to the airport. You know if your luggage is going to be definitely under the recommended weight or not. So you just attach it like this, you press it on and then you lift it up and then it will tell you the weight. I find this so handy. So I am so much under my recommended weight here. My recommended weight was about 25 kilograms. So I'm doing pretty good there. I think it's because most of my technology stuff is all in my carry-on. Then to finish off, I would definitely recommend putting some kind of accessories on your suitcase, just so you know which one's yours when you see it on the conveyor belt, because it's going to be mixed within like loads of different suitcases that all look very similar. Plus, I'm just adding a little mini lock at the side, because sometimes if they do check your bags, they do just smash open locks, cut off like the tag bits. Like, make sure you're not using a valuable lock on your suitcase, but I do recommend locking it just in case the zips open throughout the flights. But anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I will see you all in another video soon. Definitely join me on my Instagram for daily updates if you want to follow along my England journey. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye!